If you're experiencing crashing issues with GTA 5, follow these steps to help resolve the problem. This guide will walk you through some common troubleshooting methods. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers for your graphics card. Step 2. Verify game files. Open the game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. and navigate to the game library. Right-click on GTA 5 and select the option to verify the integrity of game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 3. Adjust graphics settings. Launch the game and go to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings to see if that resolves the crashing issue. Sometimes high settings can cause performance problems on certain hardware. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background, as they may interfere with the game. Use the task manager to end tasks that are not needed while playing GTA 5. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not resolve the crashing issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling GTA 5. This can help fix any persistent problems that may not be addressed by other methods. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and potentially fix the crashing issues in GTA 5. If problems persist, consider seeking further assistance from support forums or the game's customer service.